There's no utility that's brought home more trophies than the city of Tallahassee. And there's nothing that indicates this year will be any different. I'm confident in our guys. We put in the work, we put in the practice, and we're ready to go.
With competition, there's an all-around sportsmanship and performance trophy that some utility gets to bring home, and we'd like to stay in Tallahassee.
Take it! Let's go! That's good, baby. That's good. There you go. There you go. That ain't ball, Prince. Get on that board. Now hook in the bottom. We can get going.
The competition demands that we be on track and online. One move, you're 2 steps ahead. When you're doing this, you know how that's going to impact the next 2 or 3 things that you do. Our ultimate goal is to do a job safe, regardless of the time. Slow is smooth and smooth is fast. You know, it shows up on game day because there's very limited time sometimes between these events that separates first place from third place. 1/10 of a second sometimes, could be less. We practice moves, we practice maneuvers, we know how to use specific equipment, and anytime we're more efficient using the tool and the equipment that we have, it's a faster time for getting power restored to the customer.
Hurricane season is often highlighted, right? But if we think about it, hurricane season's less than half the year. We're 24/7, 365 operation. If your lights go out at 2 o'clock in the morning, we're there. And that requires a level of communication and safety. What these guys do is dangerous. And what you'll see out here is a lot of that zeroing in on those safety skills, sharpening their skill sets, and then also that communication feature.
I want to take this opportunity to thank everyone for attending, coming out to the 25th Annual Lineman Rodeo. It's our pleasure to have the city of Tallahassee host this event that's been growing year over year. Especially want to thank all the volunteers who came out to make this event possible. Without the numerous volunteers from different city departments, from electric and gas, from other utilities, we wouldn't be able to put this on. And I also want to thank the families of all our linemen for what they do on a daily basis. This is a hard job, it takes a lot of dedication, it takes a lot of hours away from their families to help out our community and other communities. So a special heartfelt thanks to them. And then finally, again, thanks to all of our linemen and for the work that they do. This event gets to showcase their skills that they do day in and day out, showcase the camaraderie and the brotherhood we have with all the different utilities. So again, thank you to all the participants, families, and volunteers, and we're so happy to host this year.